Engineering is applied science. Combining a theory, practical example, and hand-on experiment has been proven to be very effective in creating an active learning environment for students. However, they are not always available, especially for hand-on experiment, due to limiting factors such as the room capacity, lack of equipment, the accessibility of the facility, and maybe safety considerations. To make this critical element more accessible, we propose to harness the power of mobile technology and Internet of Things to develop this standalone mobile laboratory. Through this mobile laboratory, students will be able to access this exciting experiment through their mobile device right on their fingertips, anywhere and anytime.
This is different from a traditional lab because it's a purely remote lab, meaning that students can access all the different components of the laboratory through interactive educational mobile apps.
My experience with old traditional labs, you would actually have to be inside the lab and do the labs. Versus this new lab, you're able to go ahead and be outside in the lawn area in your home or in another classroom, and you're able to perform this lab.
So we used a mobile development framework called QDEX, and so QDEX offers a really fast and easy way to transform conventional static learning materials into interactive educational apps. The three different components of the learning module are analysis, simulation, and experiment. And so analysis represents the theory, simulation represents the practical examples, and then experiment obviously represents the experiment portion.
In order to provide users with a real sense of participation, a telepresence robot manufactured by Double Robotics has been adopted and integrated into this remote laboratory.
So the telepresence robot is basically a stand with an attached motorized wheel and iPad. And what it does is it allows the user to be at the location while not physically being there.
Users can control the Double remotely to walk around the lab and view the experiment from different angles. Users can also speak with a lab assistant that is physically in the lab and even modify the configuration in real time. The experiment is conducted through an innovative mobile remote shake table laboratory, which was developed in the Intelligent Structural Hazard Mitigation Laboratory at San Francisco State University.
A lot of the labs I've done before, it's using old technology, whereas now we're using instruments such as our smartphone or our iPads. You use that every day, but you don't know the capability that it has in terms of learning, as well as in terms of how it's implemented in academia.
95% of students found the module easy to use and felt that it was an enjoyable learning experience. 89% of students agreed that it helped them improve their understanding of critical concepts, and 84% of those participants would recommend it to a friend.
I would definitely recommend this lab to other students. It's interactive and it's through a mobile app, so something that we're all familiar with is using our phones.
Our ultimate goal and vision for this mobile laboratory is to enhance student learning by expanding this mobile laboratory and establish the Mobile Laboratory Consortium to share the expertise and equipment within our engineering community.